Good evening, students. Welcome to Students Accuracy and the Answers class. We are here, we are back to learn something new again. Yes. As the topic is mentioned below under the video, you have understood, but still I am telling you. But before I tell, again as usual, I will be telling you, please requesting you not to skip the video. If you skip the video, you will miss out. You won't be able to understand about the topic, what I will be talking about throughout the video. So please don't skip out. And also, please press the like button and subscribe button. Devansis class. Then only I'll be able to inspire myself. You will be able to inspire myself rather. Then I can come to you with more and more videos. Please inspire me. I require your inspiration. As you require the teacher's inspiration, even teachers also require students' inspiration, isn't it? Because we also keep learning from you. Learning is never-ending process, students. Every class when we are entering, we are learning too, along with you. From you also, many things we come to know. Each and every day is a new day. So, please inspire me by pressing the subscribe button. Why am I telling you? Because it's free of cost. Not a single penny has to be paid for subscription, because many people think that subscribe means they have to pay in future. No, nothing. Just simple pressing the subscribe button, nothing. No paisa, no money has to be paid for this. Okay? It's just for my inspiration. Please press the subscribe button. Okay. Now, today we are going to learn. Rather, I would ask you first. Sir, what is this? It's of course a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Now, if I ask you, what is the sum of all the angles of a quadrilateral? Many of you know, yes, 360, correct. But some of you may not be able to tell. In that case, we need to learn this, a shortcut method how to find out. Sir, quadrilateral to understood. Suppose somebody asks me, what is the sum of the angles? All these angles, if we add up, how much will be the sum of all these angles? It would be a little bit difficult for you, my dear students, because if this quadrilateral, only 4 angles are there. And many of you also know that this is 360 degree, but how would you be able to tell this? This would be definitely difficult for you. Okay, many of you may be able to tell, but if I ask you, chalo, tell me the sum of the interior. Rather, before we start, let me tell you, this is called as the interior. And this is the exterior. When the whole thing is exterior. Same, alright, same here also. This is interior and this is exterior. Means the whole thing outside this quadrilateral is totally exterior, and the inside the quadrilateral is the interior. So now, if somebody asks you, what will be the sum of the interior angles of a figure or a polygon having 1,000 sides? Ayyo. Don't worry. Accept the challenge. My Huna, I'll explain you that only. How to accept those challenges. Yes, you have some people to ask you. Yes sir? Yes or no? Yes. So, don't be afraid. Be smart enough and reply. If you learn this, you see this full video, you would be able to reply to the person who will be asking you such challenging questions. So, let us learn. See, many of you would be able to tell, yes sir, this is 360 degree. You know, but at least we know that what is the sum of the 3 angles of a triangle? 180 degree. This we already know beforehand. Okay. Keeping this in mind, if I tell, chalo, if I have drawn a diagonal inside this quadrilateral, can you see triangles inside? Yes, you can see. How many? Sir, 1, this one and this one, isn't it? So, this one is 180. Sum of the three angles, one angle, two angle, three angle. And here also another angle, another angle, another angle. This one also is again 180 degree. Clear? So that means what happens? 2 into 180 degree. Okay? Now, if I ask you, this is a pentagon, 5 sides. One diagonal, two diagonals. Now, how many triangles can we see here? Sir, one triangle here, another triangle here, another triangle here. That means 3 into 180 degree. Clear? So, what would be the sum of the four angles of this quadrilateral? 180 into 2 is 360. As you said, same thing is coming, 360 degree. Same thing here, 540. So if you add up all these 5 angles of the pentagon, the sum of all those 5 angles would become 540. Now, suppose hexagon. What would be the sum of all these angles? So let us see. 1, 2, 3. Stick to one vertex. You will stick to one vertex and draw the diagonals. Okay? Now, how many triangles can we see? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 into 180 degree. Okay? So what we can see here, 2 into 180 degree means number of sides a quadrilateral has got is 4. So out of 4, 2 is being subtracted into 180 degree is equal to 360 degree. 2 means 4 minus 2 is 2. Here 3. Total number of sides means 5. 5 minus 2 is 3 into 180 degree into 540 degree. Same here also. How many sides the hexagon has got? 6. So 6 minus 2 is 4 into 180 degree. That is 720 degree. Okay? Same way, if this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 octagon. So total 8 sides minus 2 into 180 degree is equal to 6 into 180 degree. That means 1080 degree. See, if you don't know the table, 6 sides are 48, carry 4. 6 1 6 plus 4 10. 1080. Similarly, if there are 100 sides, then 100 minus 2 into 180 degree. If 1000 sides, a simple 1000 minus 2 into 180 degree. If 50 sides, simple 50 minus 2 into 180 degree. Clear? If there are n sides, simple sir, n minus 2 into 180 degree. Khel khatam, paisa hajam. See, we have got the formula. Whatever the number of sides, from those number of sides subtract 2 and multiply by 180, you will get the sum of all the interior angles of that particular figure. But one thing you must keep in mind, the figure must be made up of straight lines. Means it must be a polygon. So what is a polygon, my dear students? A polygon is a closed figure. See, all these are closed figures. These are all closed figures. Closed figures. Not a single side is missing. All sides are closed. Okay? So all those polygons or closed figures that are made up of straight lines. 3 or more than 3 straight lines. Because see, if we draw a figure with 2 sides, see, it is open. It is open. I said closed figure. So, in order to make it closed, minimum 3 sides are needed. It becomes a triangle. So, a polygon is a closed figure made up of 3 or more than 3 straight lines. Clear, students? So, polygon, we have understood. The interior, some of the interior angles also we have understood. So, generalized formula, what we will do, we will say generalized formula, sum of the interior angles of a polygon is equal to interior angles. We are talking about interior angles is equal to how much? Now n minus 2 into 180. And remember, sum of the exterior angles of a polygon is always equals to 360. This is fixed. Whatever is the figure, whatever number of sides the figure may have, still remember the exterior angle. Suppose this is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. And this is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. This is the exterior angle. And this is the exterior angle. Any side, you can draw this angle, exterior angle. So if we add up these 3 angles, you will get 360. You will add up these 4 angles, you will get 360 angles. Same way, exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle, exterior angle. Add up these angles, you will get 360 degrees itself. All figures, may it be triangle or a quadrilateral or any other polygon. Exterior angle, sum of exterior angles is always equal to 360 degrees. So in that case, measure of each angle, each exterior angle of a regular polygon is equal to 360 divided by n. Now, what do we mean by this regular polygon? This is also another term. A regular polygon means a square, an equilateral triangle. Means, square means all 4 sides are equal, not a rectangle. Okay. And whatever it is, an equilateral triangle, hexagon, pentagon, all sides are equal. If all sides are equal, they are called as regular polygon. Okay. So anyways, measure of each exterior angle of a polygon or a regular polygon is 360 degree divided by n. I hope you must have understood this and you liked it. Please press the like button. Share this video with your friends. Let them also learn about it. Those who have not got the chance of getting my video, and tell them to subscribe so that next time whenever I will post my new videos, you will be getting the information and you would be able to learn from the new uploads also. Okay, students? So please press the subscribe button, and if you have any problem, you can send the problem to me in the comment section. You can write down. I can answer. Even you can call me in the evening hours. My phone number will be there in the left hand side of your screen. You can call me. I'll give you my WhatsApp number, and through that WhatsApp number you can send your problem, picture of your problem. I'll solve it and I'll send you the picture of it, the solution. I will send you. Okay, students, please subscribe, press the bell button. Good night.